On behalf of my 85,000 coworkers, welcome aboard and have a great flight.
Welcome aboard. Bienvenidos a bordo.
Benvenuti a bordo. Jindi Tonra.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for flying United today. We appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Please make sure your phone and all electronics are switched off and stowed. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. We suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. If you're seated in an exit row, you may be required to assist the crew in an emergency. If you cannot perform the functions described on the safety card, please ask a flight attendant to be reseated. This 757 is equipped with 6 exit doors, 3 on each side of the aircraft. When opened, slides will automatically inflate. There are also 4 window exits over the wings, which can be opened by removing the cover and pulling down on the marked handle. When opened, ramp slides will automatically inflate. During a water landing, do not use the exits over the wings unless advised by a crew member. Slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation devices. If you must evacuate the aircraft, leave all carry-on bags behind. Exit path lights will illuminate and guide you to the exits. Each of the 10 exits is marked with an overhead sign. Please look around now and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. The closest exit may be behind you. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. Your seat cushion can be used for flotation. Slip your arms through the straps and hold it close to your chest. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking is not allowed on this aircraft. It is against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy lavatory smoke detectors. For your safety, you must follow the instructions of our crew members and obey posted and lighted signs. We'll be taking off soon. Your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest should be stowed. Make sure your seat back is upright and that your seat belt is securely fastened. Please review the safety card located near your seat. If you have any questions, please ask your crew.
Thank you for flying United.
Dhanyavad. Vielen Dank, dass Sie heute mit uns geflogen sind. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thanks again, and enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Flight attendants will now make their final safety checks. If you have any questions regarding safety, please ask a flight attendant at this time. Once again, all portable electronic devices and cellular telephones do need to be turned off and properly stowed. The seat back pocket in front of you is not an approved stowage location for your items. If you are sitting in first class, if you kindly lower your headrests. In the event of an emergency evacuation, please leave all carry-on items behind. Thank you and welcome aboard. gentlemen, we will dim the lights for taxi. You do have a reading light in the panel above your seat. Flight attendants, please be seated for departure. ladies and gentlemen, as a reminder, the fasten seatbelt sign is on. When the captain turns the sign off, this will be your indication that it is safe to move about the cabin. Please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated, and take care when opening the overhead compartments, as the contents may have shifted during takeoff. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Mileage Plus members who will be earning valuable miles on this evening's flight. To become a member, you may enroll at United.com. On this evening's flight, we accept most major credit and debit cards with the Visa MasterCard logo, including the Mileage Plus Explorer Visa card. Please refer to the insert in the seat back pocket for more information. This aircraft is equipped with 4 lavatories. Please do not congregate in the aisle areas around the lavatories and galleys, and remember to use the lavatories located in your ticketed cabin. A copy of the SkyMall catalog is yours to keep. It features a large selection of unique product and gift ideas. United is pleased to provide you with in-flight entertainment on today's flight. All entertainment options are listed in your copy of the Hemispheres magazine. Audio will be available in English on Channel 1. The captain has requested that flight attendants remain seated a bit longer than usual due to anticipated turbulence, but as soon as it is safe for us to be up, we will be offering a beverage service. Our beverage selection includes a variety of products. Your complimentary copy of Hemispheres magazine lists all beverages and pricing. In United Economy, you have the option of purchasing a la carte items and snack boxes. In approximately 5 minutes, it will be safe to use approved personal electronic devices. We now invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight to Newark. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable,